Hey guys, Dan here, and welcome to the ProAcademy for Chief Architect users. Just want to talk a little bit about what's going on in the ProAcademy's membership area and what I've got coming up. Bottom line is Chief's becoming increasingly more mature program, so it's getting to be a little bit tougher to use. Some of the problems I see whenever I work with clients is they get the program and it's easy to get into Chief Architect. It really is. It's kind of cool. You can start laying out walls, do all sorts of things, but then it's easy to get bogged down because there's so much going on. And when you think about it, you are really learning 6 programs in one, basically 5. We don't get into the material list a ton, but you've got all the different elements coming together into one program. Chief has done an amazing job of seamlessly putting those elements together to work so that you can get the most out of the program. The other day I was looking through the icons that come with the program. I just realized there's over 1,100 icons in Chief Architect now. So there's a lot of function in there, and it's just very daunting. Part of what we teach is we want you to step through the program in baby steps, but we want you to do the right steps so that you're getting the best results in the fastest time possible. Things like how to start a plan, what's the best way to do that, how the parts of the program fit together and how they work together, how to stop doing the same things over and over and develop a process that works for you. I've spent a long time doing this. I've been doing Chief Architect for 27 years and I've taught thousands of people, and I'd really love to have you be part of that whole journey that I've been going through. It's really been a lot of fun, and it's really been fun to see how Chief Architect has changed so many businesses, so many people's lives in the way that they can run their business more effectively because they're doing a better set of plans. Chief is really one of the best communication tools you'll ever find. Some of the things that I cover in the ProAcademy is one of the main things that I'm really going to focus a lot on now are templates, the use of templates so that you can set them up to do your plans a lot faster. Then we get into strategies for how to create plans faster. I've been doing this a long time. I've worked with a lot of clients, so I've got a lot of information I want to share with that. I want you to become really good at 3D modeling. So the Chief is an incredible 3D modeling tool, and I want you to be part of that whole process and learn how to do that. So we cover a lot of that things. Creating great presentations from renderings to 3D models to working drawings. There's lots of information to share there. I want you to get an advanced understanding of the program, and really importantly too is I want you to get a better understanding of how to use Chief in your business. So we're going to discuss that quite a bit about me. I've been using the program since June of 1993, long time. Started with version 1. My serial number was actually 94, so it was really pretty cool. So I got in on it early, fell in love with it immediately, and I just instantly knew how this was going to change the industry, and it really has. So it's really made a big difference for everybody. Why I joined the ProAcademy? You're going to get a lot of practical experience from me. I still use the program daily. I'm working with clients daily. We're drawing plans daily. I'm getting a lot of great feedback and ideas from other users. So it's just my goal is to bring all that together in a platform that you guys can benefit from. Templates, that's a big part of what we talk about. So the Chief Architect template, if you've used the program at all, you might find that you have to do things over all the time. So the templates that we're going to use in Chief Architect are something that I've been working on for years, and I've got hundreds and hundreds of hours into the templates that I'll be showing you how to use. And the people that have been using them as of late really love them, and it's just been getting better and better with each version of Chief Architect. So if you are a current member of ProAcademy, you can go here and register for the live classes that I've got coming up. And what that would entail is you'd get into here and you see the classes are coming up in the end of October here. If you're watching this after the classes, the recordings will be there, so you can always go back and watch what's there. So we got 4 sessions: the introduction to templates, working with the plan template, working with the layout templates, and we're going to do a kind of enhanced Q&A session to answer any questions that you might have. So you'll learn how to customize these things for your business and how to make them work for you, so you'll save a ton of time in every set of plans that you do. We'll be doing a monthly workshop. Each month you'll get a new topic in Chief Architect, and those will be part of the ProAcademy. Every meeting that I do is recorded so that you will be able to go back and review it any time. And we always edit our videos so that we get rid of all the chaff and just leave you with the good stuff. And we time code everything so that you can look up topics and get to those topics really quickly. So that's why every video that we do, you'll see this time coding going on. And it's really easy to get to. Here's a little list of some of the things that are already in the ProAcademy. I've been doing this a long time and have been posting there for a long time. Most of the videos there are version X8 and newer, so you're going to get a lot of newer things in the program. I'm looking forward to doing a lot of impromptu discussions. You know, it's just, we always live on this schedule all the time, but sometimes we just want to pop up a meeting real quick and talk about something. Someone needs some help on something. So look for those in the ProAcademy too from time to time. I don't have a schedule. It's just going to, when they pop up, and that's why they're called office hour pop-ups. And there's going to be lots of other tips and content, helpful things that can help you in your business, not just chief architect, but other things that you use in the creation of plans for your clients. So that's a little bit about what's in the Academy. That's $297 a year for full access, and you're going to get all the things I just talked about. So I've tried to keep this as really a great value for everybody. Here's some testimonials from some clients that I've worked with over the years, and tons more. It was hard to pick out just a few for that. And a few Q&As that you can go through. One thing I do want to point out, if you have more than one person in your organization that you'd like to get into the ProAcademy, I've got some really nice pricing set up for you here. This is the small investment of from up to 4 people for $447. And up to 7 people for $597. As long as the people are part of the same company, just want to get everybody involved here so that you guys, especially when you start creating that template for your company, we want you guys to be on the same page so everybody's using the same template. That will save you a ton of time. If you have any questions at all, you can just go here if you have suggestions or topics or Q&A. If you have questions about the course, just go here and send me a message. If you're already in the ProAcademy, you'll have a place to go and send a message about some future topics and everything that's coming up. So there you go. And all this comes with 30-day money back too. So if you want to get in and try it just to see what it's like, by all means, check it out. And if it's just not for you, 30 days, within 30 days, let me know. We'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So I'm Dan with Chief Experts Academy signing off, and I look forward to seeing you in our ProAcademy.